like dumpling. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzy Atkins here as always. Thank you all for staying with me on my beautiful journey, and to my new viewers, you've just clicked on this video, and that's my son sneezing at the back, and that's my partner. Correct. So I am literally on my way to a booking, so I thought let me do my makeup whilst we go. It's slightly not gonna be a full one because I literally have 29 minutes till I get to my location, so we're gonna start off like literally now. Literally the camera is my mirror. Okay. Alright, so guys, literally this foundation is done out here. Literally done out here. This is Iman, and I literally had to find a way to pop the top open. See what it will do for me. There's not less than this thing. PS, the line is gonna be changing because obviously we're driving and we're driving in different areas, so this guy is like the worst driver to do this with. The real challenge, should I say? The real challenge. Okay, we are at a red light. Let's see if we can try and do something before this car. Ah, lights. Lies. Pardon me. Oh, bless me.
I've just been seeing police everywhere.
Brows. This is not my brows. Knowing that he said Jerusalem and all, yeah, does that make you a Christian music? Considering the brow.
So it's the first song that, so I don't hear them actually swear.
So South Africans swear in the music.
No. So you know that it's got burner boy in it as well, but you don't hear any swearing, you don't hear any. So you get. So and I think it's something Christians can hear as well.
Oh my god. Nah, these brows. What is this?
So I was looking at the M25 mate.
Because of your driving?
You are supposed to be an expert makeup artist. Whether I'm driving, whether
your driving is like Igboro driving.
Wherever you are on
you're
top
a downfall
of a
driver.
Mountain, yes, climbing down and you are doing makeup, and it should still be perfect.
Are you listening to him?
I said she should be a professional makeup artist.
I did ask you to repeat yourself.
Whether she is on a mountain climbing down and doing her makeup at the same time, it should still be perfect. That is what you call perfection. What did I say, guys? Perfection.
Makeup is questionable, but hey, I'm doing it while driving, so. And I'm literally 9 minutes away from my location, so I think I'll continue this when I am done. But so far, so good. This is what I have gotten. So far, so good. This is where I've gotten to. Okay, so. Actually, you know what? Do I have time for my eyeshadow? Do I have time for my eyeshadow? So, my eyeshadow, I was gonna be experimental this morning. I'm trying to be experimental this morning. So, this is my matte. This is a MUA Velvet cookie. I don't know how you say that. Cookie. Well, purple shop. But so I was trying to aim for purple on purple, hair purple, makeup purple, clothes not purple, because I actually discovered I don't even have anything purple in my drawer as a daily wear. So for this, I'm actually gonna use this now. My matte lippy for my eyeshadow. I've heard about this technique, but I have not personally tried it. So first time trying this, by the way. I think let me use the camera. My son is laughing at every shout right now. He's laughing at me. He's laughing at me. Oh, okay, not bad. Actually, not bad. Guys, Archie came out looking good. Okay. So I'll literally, I mean, I could leave it like this, but I'm just gonna go over it with another. Oh, where is it? Like it's a hot mess. With another purple shadow. So I'm just gonna go. It actually came out nice with this roadman driving in the car. I'm surprised this came out good. Okay. Okay. I need to do my liner. Okay. I need to do my liner in the moving car. Can somebody pray for me? I need to do my liner. See, in the moving car. Okay, we're headed to red. I'm gonna stop. Oh, I lied. It's changed to green. Yes, baby. Yes, love. Ayo. Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah, oh for your daddy's driving. Trying to poke my out.
So it's the road, mate. It's not me. It's the road. Just doing how we did it in school. When I had to kick man's face in my kickers. But the sweet one calling me love. She likes how I squeeze one hand in my glove. Fuck no bay, no boo. I just want top, she says I'm rude. I swear if I splash this hair, I'm dumb. I'll do it and dash these Air Force Ones. Pen one more tongue. Just give me hat, don't stay your sprung.
And we are here.
Sure.
Oh, we are supposedly here. But yeah, guys. So this is all I had time for. Literally. So I'm gonna do my lips so I don't look confused. This is my personal one, so I can use the lip applicator. So hey, come Ayo. Okay, so it's a no lashes thing now because I'm here. So literally didn't have time for my lashes, but I think I did okay in a moving car. This boy still trying to comment to my shot. Did okay in a moving car. I mean, yeah, not too bad. Not too much because of the baby in the car. Woo. Okay. Let's see. Ah! Let's see the full look. Okay, so I'll wait to get outside to see it properly on the outside lights. But for now, that is it. Alright guys, literally this is it out in the lights in the car, out of the car. So but let me know what you think about this look in the comment down below. Do not forget to comment, like, share, and I'll see you in my next video. The background noise is too much.